Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mr. Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I am going to discuss a question based on the method that is variational method, or which is also known as Rayleigh-Ritz method. In the previous video I have discussed about this method, the steps you need to take to solve the questions based on this method, as well as that what type of questions you can get in your upcoming exam related to this method. That's the discussion we have done in the previous video. If you have not watched that video, you can watch it on the channel that is Mission Net Physics Exam. So guys, on this YouTube channel you will get many other important videos which will surely help you in doing the best preparation for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam. So yeah, if you are new on this channel, even you can subscribe it, okay, just by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. Also click on the bell icon to get the notifications for the new videos I will provide you on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. Now let's start the discussion about this question which has been asked in the previous years in CSIR Net Physics Exam. So guys, this question has been asked in CSIR Net June 2012, and the question, when we are going to read it, we will easily be able to get that it is related to variational method. Let's read it and let's try to get the information from this one. The question is, a variational calculation is done with the normalized trial wave function psi x is equal to, like complete trial wave function is given to us for the one dimensional potential well Vx is equal to this, okay, 0 and infinity values in different regions that has been mentioned. The ground state energy is estimated to be, okay. Now, as we have talked about this thing in the previous video where I have provided you the information and I have just done the introduction about this method along with the procedure and the steps as well. So guys, I have told you about the variational parameter. Now when you are going to focus on this trial wave function, you will find that a is present here, okay, A. This A is representing the variational parameter or variational constant. So you can see even in the options it is present. So there I have discussed the 4 steps, okay, in the previous video. Sometimes you have to do all these 4 steps, but sometimes just by taking the 2 steps, the first 2 steps, you will be able to get the answer. So in this question you will get the answer with only first 2 steps. And how we can say this, how we can get to know about it. Basically guys, if you are going to observe the options, you will see that in the options the answer is present or the expressions are present in terms of A itself. That means they are considering the answer only in terms of A. We don't need to find its value. Okay, so in step number 3, we find the value of the variational constant that we don't need to do right now. After observing the options, we will get this information easily. And we want to find the ground state energy. So let's start taking the steps. Trial wave function already given to us. So what we will do, we will take the step number 1 in which we are going to find the expectation value of, we can say, expectation value of Hamiltonian, okay. And then next step will be what? We will consider this thing that we need to find just the expectation value of Hamiltonian in this case. Now if you are thinking that okay, they didn't provide us the information about the kinetic energy and the potential energy separately, so guys, you just need to consider the kinetic energy operator and the potential energy value which is given 0 here, that you will consider and you can simply find it out. Clear? So here I have provided you the information about this one, as well as let's have a look at the next question. So you can see the next question is related to CSIR Net December 2014 exam. Clear? And I hope that the calculation for the previous one you will be able to do easily. So don't worry about it. Just take the steps to do the calculation. You will be able to get the answer. And if you will have any doubt or difficulty, you can let me know. I will discuss that thing as well, the complete calculation and all. Okay, I will try to discuss it in upcoming videos. So you can tell me about that. Don't worry, you can just mention the year, okay, in the comments that okay, this year question I'm not getting the answer, like that you will mention and we'll try to discuss it soon. Let's have a look at the next question. Guys, our next question is from CSIR Net December 2014 exam. So guys, in this question, if you are going to read it, again you will get that they have asked about the ground state energy and they have provided the potential energy expression, as well as they have provided us the wave function. So what they are asking us to find, the ground state energy of the attractive attractive delta function potential where B is greater than 0, calculated with the variational trial function psi x, okay, and is. So we need to find the ground state energy. When we are going to observe the wave function, capital A is present there as well as small a is present there. So that capital A is what? Capital A is representing, like one A is representing that just normalization constant, and the other one will be the variational parameter, done, or variational constant. And you can see in the options it is not present. So when we are going to take the step number 2 of our calculation, and if we are having the capital A and small a remaining there, we have to work for them separately to get them, and then we will reach to the final answer. Otherwise, during the calculation, if they will get cancelled out, that's very good. That means you don't need to proceed further. But if they are present there, you have to take the step number 3 and the 4, or even the step corresponding to that normalization constant, how we find it out, that you have to take to reach to the final answer. So that's how you will be able to get like which option is correct, and that's gonna be simple and easy for you to get it. Also guys, let's have a look at the next question, which is just a general question. I hope you will simply be able to do it. Again, it is related to variational principle, or you just need to find that ground state energy. Hamiltonian is completely given here. Some hint about this integration is given. So by taking the steps I have explained to you, you can even try this question. Okay, so these were the steps we have discussed in the previous video. If you have not watched it, you can watch it, and everything will get clear to you guys. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope that with this analysis, because it was like we have just done the discussion about the previous year questions, that what type of questions were there in the previous years. Okay, so if I hope that if you have watched this video till the end, you will have many good ideas with you. You have got to know about the answer steps you have to take. Okay, till what step you need to proceed to get the final answer and all. So these are going to be very important points everybody needs to know. Okay, and now I hope each and everything is clear to all of you. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Also guys, if you want the guide, like you want to get the guidance by the top educators to prepare very well for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam, so guys, in that case you can also take the Unacademy Plus subscription. After taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam preparation. Also guys, by using the referral code, that is Anjali Arora, and by applying it, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. You just need to write it as it is, apply it, and get the 10% discount. Also guys, the spelling should be same and no space in between. That's how you need to write it. Also guys, there are so many important Unacademy Plus courses going on right now, and many new courses are soon going to start for your upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam. So if you want to attend the live classes of those courses from the starting, you can take the subscription, and all these courses will help you a lot to prepare very well for your exam. Along with that, as I have told you about the referral code, so by using and by applying this referral code Anjali Arora, you will be able to get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount as well. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end, and if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon to get the notifications for all the new videos I will provide you. Also guys, you can share the videos with your friends, those who are preparing for the upcoming CSIR Net Physics exam or the GATE Physics exam or any other physics entrance exams. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.